The first thing we are going to do with our game is create our player. Now to do this, we're going to click on our sprite and then we're going to right click on the sprite folder, go up to create and then hover over to sprite. Once you've done this, you'll need to name the sprite. First of all, we're going to start by calling this S player. And what I've done is I've used a lowercase s and an uppercase p. Next, we're going to design the player. Now, you should have already done this as part of your development task. So if you click on Edit Image, you'll notice the editor will then open. Now, you've got a number of different tools within the toolbox. You've got a paintbrush, which will allow you to draw certain elements. You've also got an eraser, which will allow you to erase any issues or any errors that you've made. Now, if you wish to increase the size of the brush, you can do so by clicking on the presets at the top. And as you can see, I've just increased the size of my eraser. You can also do this manually by using the slider on the top, as this is a really quick way of increasing or decreasing the size of the brush or the eraser. You can change the color by using the color picker, and then you can basically do any design that you need to do. If you wish to fill the whole of the image, then what you can do is you can use the paintbrush tool, and what we can do is choose a color and then press the button there. Now, as you can see, I've made a background color, and what I'm going to do is add in a new layer, and I'm going to go back to my paintbrush tool and I'm going to select this option here and I'm going to make it white. And what I'm doing is I'm doing two eyes, and we're also then going to make a slightly smaller option there for the mouth, and I'm going to add another layer in here, and what we're going to do on this one is we're just going to add in two pupils there for the eyes. Now you'll notice I've drawn this onto one side, and the reason I've done that is because we are going to flip it later when we use the left and the right arrows. Once you've completed your player design, you can then click the close button here on the top, and then once more you can close this, and that then would save your design. So your first task is to draw your player for your game.